Hello friends, welcome to my channel KT Digital. In this video, I'll be sharing the wonderful news that is shared by the BBC News that the match was played between the England and the New Zealand, and the wonderful highlights are shared that I'll be sharing in this today's video. So if you're a cricket lover, so watch this video till end. So let's get started. ICI Women's World Cup 2023 was played in Ahmedabad. So England 289 50 overs and the route was 77-86, Butler 43 and the Henry 3 to 48 runs. So New Zealand 283 to 1 362.4 overs and Conway 152. So it is telling that the New Zealand won over England. So you can see that New Zealand won by 9 wickets and their scores are just one score, and although England was 50 overs and they 36.2 overs. So New Zealand won by 9 wickets. So England defense of the World Cup title began with a 9-wicket hammering at the hands of New Zealand in Ahmedabad. So they reached their target with 13.4 hours to spare. Devon Conway and the veteran Ravindra both hitting stunning centuries. So Conway ended 152 not out of Ravindra and beat on 123 as the pair combined for a sensational 27 run partnership. So in contrast, England struggled to 282 to 9 in a lackluster batting performance. Joe Root made 77 but a series of soft dismiss checked their progress. So the tournament continues with Pakistan facing Netherlands in Hyderabad from 9:30 BST on Friday. So missed chance to run out Conway in the third over the closest they came to another wicket. So Root finds form but other disappoints. England's captain Butler has spoken about wanting his side to attack rather than defend their title, but instead their inning was punctuated by a series of finished dismissals. So this was today's video that the Cricket World Cup 2023 were played by the ICC between England and New Zealand. They have shared the exciting news. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. Thanks for watching.